Good morning, children. Today I will discuss about the addition of 4-digit numbers with carryover. See children, there is an example. 3 numbers are there. We have to add these 3 numbers. Okay. This is a 4-digit number. This is a 4-digit number. This is also a 4-digit number. Children, I am not explaining why these numbers are called 4-digit numbers. You go to my channel and check the videos. All are explained there. See children, what we have to do? We have to add these 3 numbers. Okay. For that, what we have to do? We have to make the places of the digits. The first place belongs to ones. The second place belongs to tens. The third place belongs to hundreds. The fourth place belongs to thousands. See children, in this number, and in this number. In ones place, which digits are there? In this number, 1 belongs to ones place. In this number, 9 belongs to ones place. In this number, 6 belongs to ones place. So in ones column, first write 1. Under 1, write 9. And under 9, write 6. Okay. Maintain this column, children. Okay. Then go to the tens place. In this number, 2 belongs to tens place. In this number, 4 belongs to tens place. In this number, 3 belongs to tens place. So in tens column, first write 2. Under 2, write 4. And under 4, write 3. Maintain this column, children. Okay. Now the third place belongs to hundreds. In this number, 3 belongs to hundreds place. In this number, 6 belongs to hundreds place. In this number, 7 belongs to hundreds place. So in hundreds column, first write 3, then write 6, then write 7. Maintain this column, children. Okay. The next house or next place belongs to thousands. Okay. So 7 belongs to thousands place in this number. And in this number, 3 belongs to thousands place. In this number, 2 belongs to thousands place. So in thousands column, first write 7. First write 7. Under 7, write 3. Under 3, write 2. Maintain this column, children. Now, we have to add these digits. Okay. Children, always remember, when you add, always start adding from your right side. Okay. So, the first digit is 1. So, count 1. The second digit is 9. From the next house, count more 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. The last digit is 6. Count more 6 lines from the next line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See children, from here to here, how many lines are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. 6 belongs to ones place, 1 belongs to tens place. Okay. So 6 will go in ones place. Okay. And 1 will carry in tens place. Okay. Now add the digits, those belong to tens place. The first is 1. Count 1. The second digit is 2. Count more 2 lines. 1, 2. count 4 lines. Count more 4 lines from the next line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Count more 3 lines from the next line. 1, 2, 3. So children, from here to here, total how many lines are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Okay. So 0 belongs to tens place. 1 belongs to hundreds place. Okay. So 0 will sit in tens place and 1 will carry in hundreds place. Okay. Now add all the digits those belong to hundreds place. The first is 1. Count 1. The second is 3. Count more 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. The third digit is 6. Count more 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last digit is 7. Count more 7 lines from the next line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See children, from here to here, total how many lines are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. 7 belongs to hundreds place, 1 belongs to thousands place. So 7 will sit in 7 will sit in hundreds column and 1 will carry in thousands place. Okay. Now add all the digits those belongs to thousands place. The first is 1. Count 1. The second is 7. Count more 7 lines from the next line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. The third digit is 3. Count more 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Okay. The last digit is 2. Count more 2 lines. 1, 2. See children, from here to here, total how many lines are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. 13. See children, 1 belongs to 10,000 place. Okay. 1 belongs to 10,000 place. So what is the answer? The answer is 13,706. In another way, you can say 1 10,000, 3,000, 700 and 6. Okay. The answer is 13,706. Practice well children. Thank you.